Welcome to our today's feature presentation, Best Stock Trading Potentials 2021. On the US exchanges, we enjoy a wide variety of trading potentials in stocks, about 5,000 by volume that are well tradable. The question is what to focus on in 2021. My name is Thomas Barman. I'm your presenter today, and I want to make you aware of the risk in trading that I'm here as a trader and educator, not as a broker, dealer, or financial advisor. In 2020, the US consumer behavior radically changed. We are spending more time at home, and now a battle around your home has started. In which sense? Intelligent home, helping you to switch the lights on, choosing the programs, streaming your TV, and there we come, entertainment time. That's important. So between those, a lot will be going on in 2021, and we want to give you some guidance which companies could be heavily involved, and with that could lead to a growth in trading them on the upside, or also, if they are losing the battle, to the downside. Let us check the year-end value of the S&P 500. So that means the 500 biggest companies by market capitalization. And the runner was Apple, 6.4% of the overall S&P 500 by their value, followed by Microsoft, 5.4%, Amazon, 4.5%, the two Googles, because there's two shares traded, and Facebook. So what do all of those have in common as a potential battleground? To answer this rhetorical question, they have one common battleground: your home, your time for entertainment, reaching from the intelligent home services to streaming service. So let us give you some examples of what's going on and what will trigger growth or going down for those individual companies that are at the moment on the hype of the S&P 500. So here are some of the examples, and you sure know them. Apple TV, Apple HomeKit. Yeah, absolutely. Intelligent home and streaming services. Microsoft Home and Entertainment, like the Xbox and all that is going on around them. Amazon Fire, Alexa, Amazon Prime Video, Google TV, Google Home, and Facebook Watch. So you see here, all these companies have a new offering, and they want your personal home time for entertainment, or also your way of switching an intelligent home on and off. Graphic processing needs a backbone, and here we are, Nvidia, semiconductors, artificial intelligence, video game, consumer electronics, and computer hardware. So now you see we're building you a watch list of the top 5 plus this one, and we will be going on so that you know where to concentrate on in 2021. Entertainment and streaming services, two brands that pop up, Netflix, Roku. And we say, let the chart tell when to buy or sell, because the chart will be the defining element. The market will tell which company will be evaluated higher or lower and gives us trading opportunities. Let's dive into it, and I give you some examples here. There you see Google, and you see here we came out what we call a purple zone, ambiguity, had a first run to the upside, concluded with a second run, and right at our target number 2 we start turning to the downside and then going through. Let me magnify it a little for you so that you can easier see the happening. Our indicators here is the Never Lost Trading top line program. They tell crucial price turning points and their targets, and when those targets are concluded, most likely we will have a reversal. But when you let the chart tell when to buy or when to sell, you have a guiding element for going through the markets. And here it's a weekly chart, so you don't have to trade a couple of times throughout the day. You just trade basically once a week with some of those, holding your portfolio in the right direction by knowing what to focus on and how to trade each of those individual stocks. A change in technology needs to be financed. JP Morgan, one for your watch list. Why? JP Morgan is on the way with a concept to finance a European soccer league where 18 clubs of Europe will play against each other on the highest rank and level, bringing more than 300 million people on the screen for advertisement and for all of this. And imagine one of those companies that I showed you prior who want to enter into the entertainment business gets rewarded within broadcasting this. So a lot is going on that side, and that gives you opportunities with the top 5, with the technology that I showed you, and here with the ones that are financing them. Again, let the chart tell when to buy or sell. So you see here 2 trade situations, one which we call change in command, CIC, and the chart gives a price threshold saying, okay, if in the next candle 104.74 gets taken out by the price development we did, then we trade to the upside and we do this for that distance. But did it go a little higher here? Absolutely. But that's why we have our red line. This would be our trailing stop line, and we would still be in a trail and trend to the upside if we had followed this. So this is why we say let the chart tell when to buy or sell, but also understand trade where prices move, trade where technology and change is happening. It gives you opportunity to both sides, to the upside and to the downside. And helping you comprehending all of this, I wrote all of what I'm sharing here also in an article so that you quickly can read through, and you'll find that at our WordPress blog, Never Lost Trading blog. We have several stock market indexes here, the Dow 30, the S&P 500, the Nasdaq 100, and there's many fund managers that replicate in their portfolio the index. When they replicate the index, they have to buy into the companies that were newly added. And so let's have a look what was newly added. In December we had Tesla added to the S&P 500, Etsy and DXCM. The Nasdaq added Marvel, Match, Okta and Peloton. And the Dow 30 added Dow, the chemical company. So all of these offers you opportunities, but again, let the chart tell when to buy or sell. What you see here is the weekly chart of Peloton, and I highlighted 2 trade situations, each of them having a target on there that you can start to focus on. So that helped when the home fitness came to your home within an entertainment value and also a good guidance through the Peloton offer. So there the chart was telling end of November, buying opportunity above 117.75, validated through the price action in the next candle, and continued within the buy above 142 and coming to target, and then we started reverting. But that's the idea. If you move for a certain amount of bars, here for example we colored the up sequence in blue, and we know at bar number 5 we usually have a reversal or haltering or breakout. Here we have a haltering, yeah, because we are in between the candle of the prior close, and we made a 2-SPU price development where there is an 85% likelihood that the price will not continue that direction immediately. So all of that you find on the chart here, telling you how far you want to reach, where your stop is, where your target is, and that's how we want to invite you into the new year of trading, always knowing by the chart when to buy or sell, when to enter, and which of those that we highlighted here shall be in your focus and in your portfolio for what period of time, or until a certain price level is reached, because then you can reinvest into a new opportunity that is arising. And as private investors, we usually have more opportunities than we have money. We teach our algorithmic based programs one-on-one, tailoring them to your individual wants and needs, so that you learn where are the price move indications, and you can scan for them too with the Never Lost Trading top line program. And then very important, how can you do risk limited strategies? That's where a lot of private investors are hurting. They are getting drawdowns by being wrongly invested for the one or the other opportunity, and we'll help you that that's not finding. And we guide you through how to repair a trade when it doesn't work. That's where our name comes from, Never Stop Loss Trading, but we shorten it a little. Yeah, help you with the money management. How you be at least 80% invested, and how can you get minimum returns and leverage your returns and repair your losers and let your winners run in the right direction as you saw it on the chart. Putting that all in a business plan for trading success, that you know when to trade and how often to trade and what returns to be expected in a financial plan, and doing that for all your accounts from your 401k, your IRA to your margin account. Our indications come from the computer and the server on the charts, but we focus with our programs on your risk tolerance so that you trade where you have the best affinity to, what suits you, your holding preference if you're rather short or longer term invested, the difference in availability. Do you have 2 hours a week or you have 8 hours a day? So we tailor our program to that, or the preference in assets. You rather have stocks, futures, forex, options. There's plenty of opportunities, and we'll teach you what suits you best for all your account types, from 401k all the way to the margin account. Build your trading and investing competency by learning when to trade by the chart. Let the chart tell when to buy or sell, how to execute those orders, and risk limited strategies, what to focus on. Yeah, so we listed here about 10 companies, but there's more opportunities around, and the trade finders and scanners of Neverlos Trading, they help you finding those, and we also report them to you on a day-by-day level in our Neverlos Trading alerts. And then look where the gains can come from, invest in them, stay for a certain period of time, and then go to the next opportunity and repeat what works and weed out what did not. That's very important. Act professionally with your trading, learn how to execute those strategies, and do again what does you well. Make a change to your returns and your rewards that you want to reap from the financial markets by learning how to trade them in the right way and manner. So call us 866-455-4520 or contact at neverlosstrading.com, and we'll go through and find which of our programs suits you best to get you to the targets and goals that you want to achieve with your trading. We are more than 10 years in business. We're an algorithmic trading house, so we do quantitative analysis and do not leave things up to interpretation. We want to be as mechanical as possible in our decision making. So if that's for you, give us a ring or write us an email to contact@neverlosstrading.com, and we are happy to working with you, helping you to turn yourself into the trader or investor that you want to be.